Leo, the project manager of IPS Lando. We deliver knowledge-based packaging solution and quality packaging materials to our customer. Before we use traditional printing machine to make small orders, it takes too much time. In 2008, we made Aopack, and we purchasing the first automatic slotting machines. It helps us a lot. This machine is very easy for operation. Even the person without any experience in corrugated box, they can operate this also. Here, thanks a lot for Aopack's service and support.
Hi, we are a box factory in Malaysia, and we have lots of workers from many different countries. They are hardworking, but sometimes they are less skilled. Our factory often has a problem and issue of the lack of skilled workers, lack of skilled labor. But since using the Aopack box making machine, which you see on screen, we have solved this problem quite well. The Aopack box making machine is, I would say, highly automated and easy to operate. It doesn't need technology or experience, and I think anyone can control it. Our factory arranged for two female employees to operate the equipment, and they are very happy because they can get a stable salary. The job is not physically demanding, and there are also no confusing technical requirements that they need to remember or learn. So thank you very much to Aopack for providing us with such a convenient and useful machine. Thank you.
In our carton factory, it is difficult to recruit young people to produce cartons. The workers in our factory are quite old and can't do too much hard work. So our boss had to find a way to purchase some advanced automatic equipment instead of labourers. We use Aopack box making machine to produce a variety of furniture packaging cartons. The old traditional equipment production efficiency is very low, labour intensive, and needs about 4 or 5 workers to operate, and workers are just not willing to do it. After using Aopack box making machine, we just need 1 or 2 people to complete the production. The workers here say that using the box making machine is like sleeping. It's just as comfortable. It's highly automated, it's very low labour intensity. Aopack box making machine is very good.
We know Aopack since 2019 on Sino Corrugated Show, and we bought their box maker there. This machine arrived in our factory in June 2019, and Aopack sent their engineer here to do the machine installation, without extra charges or any training fee or labor charge. So it was a very big thing for us, and we use this machine to make small quantity box production, normally from you can say 10 to 300, because it can change from order to order within 60 seconds. Hundreds of small quantity orders can be completed in just one day. So in the beginning, we chose this machine for the trust and the reasonable price. And after we know each other for so long, we are very surprised by the machine performance and the excellent service by their team. They try their best to respond timely and with effective solutions. So I can say we will never regret choosing Aopack team, and I'm sure so will you.
We've been using Aopack box machine for more than 1 year, since around July 2019. It runs for around 6 to 8 hours every day and produces thousands of cartons every day, which brings us our objective profits. It is really a reliable partner. Most of our orders are small batch orders with many types, but the quantity of each order isn't much. So this machine solves our problems and can quickly replace the order. There are many types of cartons included in the machine, which is really important for us. Most of the types are exactly what we need, so they greatly solve our problems. And this is the most important reason why we choose their machine. Furthermore, the box edges cut really well by the machine, and our customers feel really satisfied with it. After sales service from the Aopack team is always really helpful and effective, and every time we have a problem, we can contact the after sales team through WeChat, email, WhatsApp, etc. and they provide solutions and guidance timely. In general, they're a reliable partner, providing a good machine and service.